Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make text into a link in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this product name, Apple. Example, you, you can use your own link or see this, right click, copy link address. Select cells, right click on your mouse, insert link and you type your link or paste. Press Ctrl V, apply. And now see this, make text into a link. Click here. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.